Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is December 7th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a very good day here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, we finished off the week on a 4-day winning streak. We only traded 4 days this week, so we won every single trading day this week, and it was a very good week. If you take a look at the price ladders here, you can see that our CL was in the, or rather, this is the ES price ladder. We were in the positive. 1462.50, and that's on one lot. We're going to come back and talk about those trades here in just a few minutes. And then I had a difficult time today here on the CL, again on one lot, so I was down 47 ticks on the CL. Now, we had a win the battle, lose the war relationship with the CL today. We ended up being correct. So if you were in our trading room this morning, you saw me trying to get short around an area that was on our chart. I'm going to show you that here in just a few minutes, and it wasn't until later in the afternoon that the market actually flushed down through that zone. Also, then on the ES, we had a very good couple of trades. We're going to talk about those here in just a minute as well. Let's start today with looking at the CL. All right, so when we opened up here this morning, one of the things that we were talking about is we had an area here on your chart. I don't have the profiles here in front of me, but we had a profile area from the last several days where there was a value area range for the previous 4 trading days, actually. And it was with the sweet spot here right around 50. And so what we were looking for the market to do was to come up, pull back down, rally, and then get short. In fact, this is the pattern that I had drawn on the charts here this morning for everyone to look at. I was looking for this particular pattern to get short. The market rotates around, eventually comes back up. I took a couple of stops trying to get short today. But once the market finally made this high up here, we talk about our 9 a.m. To 10 a.m. swing zone. That's a time of day where we're expecting the market to make a reversal time. That starts here in the blue area. Market rallies up to that high, kind of rotates around back here again. And then we made one more weak attempt to get through that high. Now, I've drawn a couple of boxes around inside of this blue area, by the way. You look for a reversal time of day here in this 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., and you had this rally into this zone. I'm going to turn the time zone off here for just a moment and take a look here. These boxes are important boxes. These boxes here on the CL are 10 ticks on either side of the support and resistance area to kind of give you a zone of influence that we look at. And so the market comes right up into that zone. And then we had this zone of influence here. And if you were in our trading room today, you saw us trying to get short here at this 77.78. We at one point on the video, you're going to see me try to get in short at 83. The market just kind of rotates around. What we talked about is that we would be looking to come down into this 52.35 area, right? So we were way up here at 53.75, and we were looking to target down to this structure mid down here. In fact, I'm going to turn these levels off for just a minute so you can kind of get a sense for the area that we were trying to reach out for. Was this 52.34. Market rotates around, and we just kept getting back and forth. And if you were in the trade room with us, you saw all of this happening, right? We'd gone down, got to 41, rallied back up, and the market was just in this rotational pattern. And then right as we got towards the end of the session here and the end of the day, the market sells off and just comes all the way down into this market structure mid area that we were looking for. Now, I did not get to take advantage of that. We got whipped around here trying to get this thing to come down short through it. It didn't finally start to break down until about 12:30 my time, Central Time, when the market then took off here to the downside. But we were trying to get through this area here around our structure signal today, looking to target down to this structure mid. And as we sit here right now, the market is all the way down here, has gone even deeper down to this 52.22. And so again, that is absolutely the area that we were looking at in the trade room, and we just had a bit of bad luck trying to get it to come down. It just didn't go in the time frame that we were looking for. Now, that's the bad news, and you can see we ended up being down 47 ticks. If you look up here on the price ladder at the top left-hand corner of the screen, you can see that I am down 47 ticks on the day. As it relates here to the ES, we had a much better opportunity here on the ES today. Market rallies up into your daily structure target. Once you hit up here, couldn't close above, we began to look short. We took our first short of the day at 96.25, and we were targeting all the way down here to this extension 1. Now, we, again, as luck has it sometimes, we get a little bit of a pullback that takes us out. And if you look back here, market comes down. We got taken out. I had my trail stop at right here. I think I had it right at 81.25, which would have been about right here, right? I had my stop here at 81.25. We were in from 96. It had been as deep as 67. And so I didn't want to continue. I didn't know how far back it was going to pull. And so from here to here, that is 28.5 points. And you had a pullback here from 67 up to this area here, which was 13.75. So you had a pretty good pullback. And so I was nervous. I got concerned, right? Even though it was a one lot, I did have this idea that we were going to come all the way down to this zone here, and then the market rallies up. It actually takes us out, not here. I believe it took us out. Yeah, this is where, on this spike up, where it took us out. The trade of the day that you're going to see is I immediately get back in short here at right around this 72.75 underneath this structure extension, or sorry, right underneath this structure signal. It's in this zone here. And we then take this from here all the way down to here. We were looking to target, and that is 20 points. We were actually looking to target 52. Actually got in at 72. 72. Actually got in at 72.25, which was right in this area right here. 72.25. Let's bring this back up here. And yeah, it was 72.25 is where I actually get in, like right here. All right, I get in, comes back up, touches this level, comes back down. I immediately get in. We were looking to target here at 26.52.25 and even 20 points. Comes down, gets right here to within a tick. You'll see this on the video. It's sort of funny. It comes down right to within a tick and pulls back, and I get stopped out back up here around, I think it was 55.25 maybe, or 54.25, something like that. And then the market on this same bar comes all the way down, touches that area. Now, we were ultimately, at the first time trade today we were looking to get down here to 49.75, which is your extension 1. And we certainly did that today. So, again, all in all, these are one-lot trades. I was down 47 ticks on the CL. I was up 1462 half, 1462.50 on the ES today. So, all in all, it was a very, very good day. If you were in the trade room and you left early because you saw me take a couple of losing trades on the CL, I understand. But again, we have a very clear trading philosophy. Cut the losing trades short, let the winning trades run. And with that idea of letting those winning trades run, more often than not, we can catch that opportunity that gets us out of the hole and up above here today. I just want to reiterate that these totals you're seeing at the top of the trading domes here, these totals are on one lot. So I was down 47 ticks on the CL on one lot, and I was up 1462 half, or 1462.50 rather, on the ES on a one lot. So it is this last ES trade that I'm going to let you watch here today. I'm going to cut it down as I always do. I'll cut it down, let you hear what it sounded like live in the trade room, cut it down, put some music behind it, and then begin the process of letting you watch that trade. I'll speed it up, etc., for you as well, and then you'll be able to see exactly where it is that we got out. The total trade lasted 21 minutes. I'll shrink it down to about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, so you can kind of get a gist of what the trade actually looked like. And again, this is what was taken in front of the live trade room audience today. So again, if you left early today because you saw me lose a couple of trades right at the beginning, you know, that's part of trading, and sorry you missed out on the opportunities that provided themselves later in the session. So having said all of that, I'm going to let you watch this OTG ES trade of the day. I'm in at 72.25. I'm in at 72.25 here. You're looking to target into that 49. My stop is 74.25. 74.25 on the stop.